This year what's new from us is standards have changed a little bit in the market. We've now got a lot of 12G coming out, so we've got 12G products to meet that demand. So we've got the Kumo 6464 12G, which is a router, and that will allow you to do both SD, HD, and also 4K and 8K switching, so that's really powerful as a solution. We've got the Corvid 44 12G as well. We've got the bi-directional multi-channel card, really powerful, no end of uses for that. Out in the streaming market as well, that product's going to be really important. But 12G bringing that single cable, allowing you to pass 4K over it really easily. So for us, we have a number of products that deal with some of the demands from that market. So certainly HDR analysis is what people really want to know. They want to know, have they got everything set correctly in terms of how they're mapping their color gamma? Now that kind of science is really exactly what I said it was, a science. It's very complicated. But using something like a HDR image analyzer from AJA, we do a 12G version of it as well now, that will allow the user to really see what they're dealing with accurately and make sure they're mapping it correctly for distribution either via the web or via broadcast as well. In a world where sometimes to do 4K it takes up to 3 cables, you're going down to 1. So really for anybody, especially in the AV world, reducing the number of cables you actually have to lay, maintain and monitor, or that can fail, it's just fantastic just to have a single one, because then we can run 2 cables with 2 devices for failover so much more easily. It's starting to properly take off. People are really seeing the benefits of it. And I think that's more because 4K has become more of a concern for people to get involved with, because the distribution of it is becoming easier and easier, either via the big boys like Netflix or Amazon. But in terms of other markets with distribution for, could even be AV, where you're talking about distributing certain messaging, certain types of content through a building or an event, or offering people outside of an event exactly this amazing experience. Running single cable technology or even IP cable technology just makes that achievable.